Is hydrogen peroxide generally used as disinfectant and cleaner at home also good for teeth whitening? Is there any scientific evidence for or against its use on teeth? We will look for all the answers and more in this short video. Watch it till the end. Your teeth can get stained from the foods such as berries and citrus fruits and drinks you consume such as carbonated drinks, tea, coffee and many other food items. Therefore, it is normal to develop a desire to whiten your teeth to look and feel good. Most teeth whitening products available in the market contain hydrogen peroxide. So, why not use hydrogen peroxide directly? The question is valid as it can also be a cheaper option. Simple answer is, yes, you can use hydrogen peroxide for teeth whitening at home. But, you have to be careful on what type and how you use it. Most of the over-the-counter hydrogen peroxide solutions are of 3% dilution. Online links are given in the description box for your ready reference. This is just about right dilution for the purpose. Scientists have found that higher concentrations such as 10% or above can damage teeth enamel permanently. Higher concentrations can also harm your gums. Another precaution you should take is to not expose your teeth to hydrogen peroxide for more than a minute. So, let's understand how to use it for best results. There are two relatively safe ways to use hydrogen peroxide for teeth whitening. The first method is to squish it in your mouth. Here your teeth are not in constant touch with it, so you can squish for about 2 minutes maximum to be on the safer side. Another method is to use it as a toothpaste. You can add baking soda to 3% diluted hydrogen peroxide to make a thick paste. Baking soda also removes stains and whiten your teeth, so the paste is a double action paste. Use this paste on your teeth for maximum 1 minute. You may have to use it for about 2 weeks daily to get the best results. Make sure that you use hydrogen peroxide under your dentist's supervision. This will ensure teeth whitening without causing any permanent damage to your enamel or gums. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.